I don't care if you hate Alabama, okay? Which in probably this neck of the woods, you probably do, all right? So that has nothing to do with this. What it has to do with 5 national championships in 9 years. That's what this is all about. He lives and eats and breathes the process. Coach Saban calls me up and says, my people are out there trying to get recruits. The lifeblood of a football team is what? Ball players. He said, no one has ever taught them how to make a presentation. He said, I got them going all over the country, talking to moms and dads and kids about coming to play for Alabama, and no one's talking about how to do it. He says, can you come in and help my coaches do that? I said, yeah, I can do that. And he said, you were recruited, you played ball, you've lived the experience. And he said, so you come in? I said, yeah. So I did a whole lot of studying about Alabama and getting an understanding of the coach and everything that they do. And then, by the way, you want to talk about what their organization is all about? I walk in there and all the coaches are there. Who's on the front row? Nick Saban. You're listening, I'm listening. It's all about we're doing this together. So the reason why I share this with you, talk about a process, he says there are 2 pains in the world, the pain of discipline and the pain of disappointment. He said if you handle the pain of discipline, you'll never have to deal with the pain of disappointment. Let's go to school on them. Let's learn the processes that are out there. Let's sweat the details. Let's talk about communication and follow-up and keeping promises and being accountable. How are we going to help our associates, you know? How are we going to be proactive, not reactive? How are we going to not accept average work? Constantly looking for new business and keep in touch with our current clients. These are the parts of the process. And that's what he lives, eats, and breathes, every aspect of the process. Because if you worry about the process, guess what takes care of itself? Winning.